Let me show you how to create clean animated device mockups that instantly improves the presentation of your videos. Whether you want to appear to be speaking from inside the phone screen, or you want to present your content from inside the laptop, or you just want to animate the presentation or the visuals of your video, these effects can make your videos to feel more engaging and visually polished. For example, if you are showcasing a website in your video, you don't need to settle for the static screen recording. Instead, you can present it inside a realistic laptop mockup with smooth animations that naturally fits into your edit. Or if you are demonstrating something on your phone, instead of simply displaying the screen recording, you can place it inside a realistic phone frame to create a cleaner and more immersive viewing experience. Now, the best part is that we will be creating all these animations inside Adobe Premiere Pro using templates. And to make it easier, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all the motion graphics templates for free, so you can start using them in your videos right away. Now you enter inside Premiere Pro, then come to the graphics template and click on Add. Then you select this folder. I'm going to show you how to get this folder for free at the end of this video. Select and you import the 3 different folders. There's one for Android, one for iPhone, and one for laptop. So import the 3 into your graphics template. Now these are all the templates that are available inside the folder. You can see the different phone mockups together with the laptop mockups. There is one for Android, iPhone, and laptop. So now let's test this. You bring this into your timeline, and you can see this is the MOGRT file. This is the animation that comes with it. So now I'll import my footage inside it, drag and drop it here. Now make sure it fits. Now you can see my footage has been placed inside the phone. You can see the animation. Now let's try another one using laptop. We drag this into our timeline. You can see how the MOGRT looks like. So now import my footage and drag and drop it right here and make sure it fits. And when we play it back, you can see the video is playing inside the laptop. Now let's try another one using an Android phone. You drag and drop it inside our timeline. You can see the animation. So I'll drag my footage inside here, drop it, and make sure it fits. And we can play it back. You can see the footage is playing from inside the phone frame. Now let's try it once again with this scene and drag it inside our timeline. And drag our media and drop it inside. Make sure it fits. And play it back. You can see it's playing from inside the phone, inside the laptop. All you just have to do is to drag and drop it. Now let's watch it from the beginning, and you can see how it looks. There's the iPhone, this is the laptop scene. This is the laptop scene. Now this another phone scene using Android phone. Then it takes you to another laptop scene. Now one thing about this template is that they have a time limit. But if you want to put a footage that has a longer time limit, you can make use of the PSD. So first of all, drag the background into your timeline. Then there are 2 different PSD. There's one for Android and there's one for iPhone. Now let's import the Android into our timeline first. We'll resize it. Just change the scale a little bit. Now you can see this is just the frame for an Android phone. Enter into it and you can extend the duration to make it as long as you want. Now move it up to the next track. Just drag it up. Then you can import your scene into the timeline. So you have it here. Now you go to the effects and click on track marks. You're going to drag the track mark effect into your footage. Drag it and drop. Then select this option. Then come here and make it fit. So you can see your content fit into the phone frame. When you go back, you can see you can extend it for as long as you want. And you can put your screen recording inside the phone frame and extend it for as long as you want that video to play for. You can see it fits inside our phone frame. Now let's import the iPhone frame. So select the iPhone. Now you import it as a sequence. Now you drag it into your timeline and open it and extend the duration and drag it up a little. Then import your footage, the screen recording that you want. Import it, then add the effect, the track marked effect, add it to it. Go to your effect controls and select this option. And once it fits, you can see it fits inside. Okay, let's go ahead and resize this. And you can see the screen recording it inside the phone frame, and you can extend it for as long as you want. And these are the two different scenes, the Android and the iPhone scene. You can see how it looks. Now this is just a playback to see all the effects. All these effects, I'm going to show you how you can download them for free and use it to improve the visuals of your edits. Now to download this motion graphics template for free, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the description. It brings you to this website. Once you get to this website, come right here and click on Vault. Once it loads, click on Trailblaze Tech. Then it loads, then you click on this post that is the same as the title of this video. So it brings you to this page. Once you scroll down, you get access to the download link. So you just click on download. Then it brings you here where you can download the file and use it in your project. So before we wrap up, I have something for you. If you found this tutorial helpful and you enjoy learning practical techniques that actually improve your creative workflow, I want to invite you to something that I have been building. It's called the Mindwave Community. The Mindwave Community is a space where creative individuals like you and I can learn from one another. We can share ideas, ask questions, and discover new tools to create better content, and most importantly, to grow together. Inside the community, you'll find an active group chat where members discuss everything from editing techniques and content creation to brainstorming ideas and creative workflows. We also have dedicated discussion boards for creative conversations that centers around valuable information on video creation. And if you are ever stuck on a project, you can post your questions through the Q&A sessions and get feedback from members of the community, and also learn from other creators that have probably faced the same challenge. There's also a section for exclusive video editing tutorials that goes beyond what I post publicly. In this section, we post advanced Premiere Pro techniques, motion graphics, thumbnail design, creative workflows, and all the little tricks that can save you hours of work. Members also get access to a private Telegram channel where I regularly drop exclusive templates, motion graphics, presets, project file, and a bunch of creative assets that I don't share anywhere else. And from time to time, we also have live sessions where we can learn together, review projects, answer questions, and explore new creative ideas. But honestly, the most valuable part is not the tutorials, it's not the templates, it's not even the free assets, but the community. Because one thoughtful conversation can change the way you approach your work. One idea from a creator inside the community can save you hours of trying to figure things out on your own. That's the kind of space that I want the Mindwave community to become. So if you are a creative who is genuinely curious, who enjoys learning, and wants to be part of a creative community, you can join the waitlist. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. I'll see you inside the Mindwave space.